I'll never forget the back-breaking pain of loading a 500-pound engine block into my truck manually after a cheap hoist snapped. Navigating the truck crane market is a nightmare filled with flimsy welds, overstated capacities, and hydraulics that leak after a week. Buying the wrong one doesn't just waste money, it risks serious injury. Today, we're counting down the top 7 truck cranes on the market, revealing the good, the bad, and the outright dangerous. By the end, you'll see one crane that completely changed how I work, saving me time and my spine. Let's dive in. 7. Rugcel 2200-pound folding truck crane. When I first got my hands on this unit for testing, I was incredibly excited about the massive 2200-pound weight capacity claim. Mounted on the bed of my pickup, the initial setup felt substantial, and the electric winch promised to make heavy lifting an absolute breeze. It features a foldable design, which is theoretically great for saving bed space when you aren't hauling engines or heavy construction materials. During my first few tests, the electric operation worked smoothly, pulling up lighter loads without a hitch. The rotation feature is quite handy, allowing you to swing materials directly into the bed of your truck after lifting them from the ground. It is designed to run off your truck's 12-volt battery, meaning you don't need an external power source, which is a significant plus for remote job sites where plug-in power is non-existent. However, the more I pushed this crane toward its limits, the more the cracks began to show. While the manufacturer claims a 2200-pound capacity, the structural integrity of the mast and boom began to flex alarmingly when I attempted to lift anything over 1200 pounds. The metal gauge simply doesn't feel thick enough to inspire confidence at its maximum rated weight, making me seriously question the safety of maxing it out on a daily basis. Furthermore, the installation process was a massive headache. The mounting plate required heavy modification to fit properly, and the hardware provided felt incredibly cheap and prone to stripping. Over time, the powder coating began to flake off, leading to rapid surface rust after just a few weeks of outdoor exposure. While it works adequately for lighter loads, the misleading capacity and poor durability make it hard to recommend for serious heavy lifting. 6. Rugcel 1500-pound stretchable truck crane. I brought this model into the shop specifically because of its hitch-mounted, stretchable design. The idea of not having to permanently drill into the bed of my truck was incredibly appealing, and the 1500-pound hydraulic capacity sounded perfect for mid-range jobs. The main feature here is the stretchable boom, which can be adjusted depending on the clearance you need for your specific vehicle and the physical footprint of your load. In practice, the hydraulic ram operates fairly reasonably when dealing with straightforward center balance loads. I used it to lift some heavy steel tubing and a couple of riding mower decks, and the manual hydraulic action was responsive enough. The crane swivels on its base, which theoretically allows you to position your load precisely where you need it before gently lowering it down onto the truck bed. Unfortunately, this is where the major issues began to present themselves during my field testing. Because it relies entirely on the receiver hitch without any secondary stabilizing legs dropping to the ground, the entire truck squats and twists aggressively under anything more than 700 pounds. The leverage exerted on a standard hitch by a fully extended boom is terrifying, and the main support shaft exhibits a dangerous amount of wobble when fully loaded. Beyond the stability issues, the hydraulic cylinder started weeping fluid after only my 3rd day of testing. You have to constantly top it off to maintain pressure, and the release valve is incredibly touchy, meaning your load can suddenly drop an inch or two when you are trying to lower it gently. 5. CAMMOO 1000 pounds truck crane. Now this is where the quality starts taking a noticeable turn for the better. I tested this hitch-mounted hydraulic crane with a healthy dose of skepticism after my previous experiences, but the CAMMOO surprised me with its thoughtful engineering. It boasts a solid 1,000-pound capacity and utilizes a much more refined receiver hitch mounting system that immediately felt tighter and more secure out of the box. The primary lifting mechanism relies on a heavy-duty hydraulic jack, which delivered a remarkably smooth pumping action during my tests. Unlike cheaper models, the boom extension on the CAMMOO is easily adjustable with secure locking pins that slide into place without requiring a hammer to force them through misaligned holes. The entire unit feels much more coherent, with structural welds that actually look like they were done by a trained professional. I put this crane to work, loading several heavy portable generators and a few bulky tool chests into the back of my work truck. The swivel mechanism is surprisingly fluid, even when bearing a heavy load, allowing me to gently swing a 600-pound generator over the tailgate without fighting the equipment. It makes solo jobs completely manageable, saving immense amounts of time and physical strain on the job site. While no tool is entirely perfect, the drawbacks here are incredibly minor compared to the lower-ranked options. The paint can scratch a bit easily if you are careless with heavy chains, and it is fairly heavy to install into the Hitch receiver by yourself. However, once it is locked in, the CAMMOO provides a reliable, sturdy, and highly effective lifting solution that I would gladly keep in my everyday arsenal. 4. Rugcel Winch 1,100 pounds truck crane. This electric bed-mounted folding crane is a completely different beast compared to their hitch-mounted model. During my testing period, I was immediately struck by how well-packaged and robust the core components felt. The 1,100-pound capacity is perfectly tuned for this gauge of steel, ensuring that the crane operates safely within its physical limits without any of the frightening flex I experienced earlier. The standout feature is, without a doubt, the electric winch system. Powered directly from your vehicle's battery, the winch comes with a highly responsive remote control that gives you ultimate command over your load from a safe distance. The galvanized steel cable is incredibly resilient against fraying, and the folding mechanism is brilliantly designed. When not in use, the entire mast and boom collapse down neatly into the corner of the truck bed, preserving your valuable cargo space. In the field, I utilized this crane for lifting heavy logs during a landscaping project, as well as pulling a broken-down ATV into the bed. The electric motor never bogged down, pulling consistently and quietly through every test. The 360-degree rotation base is smooth and locks securely into place, giving you total control when swinging heavy, awkwardly shaped items over the side of your truck. The build quality here is fantastic, with a thick, weather-resistant coating that stood up perfectly to a week of heavy rain during my testing. The only slight learning curve is mastering the remote timing to prevent load swinging, but that becomes second nature after just a few uses. This is a remarkably solid, dependable crane that brings true heavy-duty electric lifting to the everyday user. 3. MaxxHaul 1,000-pound mounted crane. MaxxHaul is a brand synonymous with rugged, no-nonsense hauling accessories, and this crane perfectly embodies that reputation. When I mounted this into my receiver hitch, the first thing I noticed was the inclusion of adjustable support legs. This completely eliminates the terrifying truck squat and hitch twist I complained about with other models, transferring the weight directly to the ground where it belongs. The mechanical design is delightfully straightforward. It uses a high-capacity hydraulic ram to do the heavy lifting, paired with a boom that extends to accommodate loads of varying sizes. The steel construction is incredibly thick, and the whole assembly feels practically bulletproof. The stabilizing legs drop down quickly and feature wide foot pads, ensuring that the crane remains perfectly stable, even when you are operating on slightly uneven gravel or dirt. I threw everything I could at the MaxxHaul during my evaluation. From loading 55-gallon oil drums to hoisting heavy pallets of brick, this crane handled it all without a single groan. The hydraulic release is incredibly precise, allowing you to lower heavy, fragile loads down to the truck bed with millimeter precision. It transforms a standard pickup truck into a highly capable delivery or service vehicle in a matter of minutes. This crane is an absolute joy to use. It is mechanically simple, meaning there are no complex electrics to fail or wiring harnesses to short out in bad weather. While you do have to manually pump the hydraulics, the mechanical advantage is so well designed that it requires very little physical effort. For sheer reliability, stability, and peace of mind, the MaxxHaul is virtually unbeatable in its class. 2. Pismire 0.5T truck-mounted crane. If you are looking for the absolute pinnacle of electric crane refinement, this half-ton beauty is a marvel of modern engineering. From the moment I unpacked it, the Pismire stood out with its sleek, professional-grade finish and exceptionally well-organized wiring loom. Testing this unit was a revelation in how smooth and effortless bed-mounted truck cranes can actually be. The core feature of this crane is its removable, electric-operated design. Not only does it fold down compactly, but the main lifting body can be easily dismounted from the base if you need the entire bed clear for an oversized load. The electric motor is incredibly powerful for a 1,000-pound rated unit, operating with a whisper-quiet efficiency that puts bulkier, noisier winches to shame. The precision controls allow for micro-adjustments, which is crucial when you are trying to line up engine mounts or carefully position expensive equipment. I used it extensively around a busy warehouse and out on various active construction sites. It shined brightest when I had to make dozens of repetitive lifts in a single day. The motor never overheated, and the battery draw was surprisingly minimal, meaning I never had to worry about draining my truck's battery while the engine was off. The rotation is buttery smooth, guided by high-quality bearings that make swinging a half-ton load feel completely effortless. I cannot praise the Pismire enough for its user-friendly nature and bulletproof reliability. Everything from the heavy-duty hook to the weather-sealed control box screams premium quality. It takes all the back-breaking labor out of loading and unloading, offering a level of control and safety that easily justifies its place so high on this list. 1. GRIPWAY 1,100 pounds folding truck crane. After extensive testing of numerous models, the GRIPWAY simply obliterated the competition, redefining what I thought was possible for a consumer-grade truck crane. This isn't just a tool, it is a professional-grade lifting system that completely transformed my workflow. The moment I bolted the heavy-duty mounting plate to my truck bed, I knew this crane was in an entirely different league. What sets the GRIPWAY apart is its flawless integration of 110 volts dismountable power and its unparalleled structural rigidity. The steel used in the mast and boom is incredibly thick, exhibiting absolutely zero flex, even when maxed out at its 1,100-pound limit. The electric winch system is an absolute powerhouse, lifting maximum loads with a terrifyingly effortless speed and grace. Furthermore, the entire top section is brilliantly designed to be easily dismounted from the base, giving you ultimate flexibility for any workspace. I put the GRIPWAY through absolute hell during my testing phase. I used it on chaotic construction sites to hoist steel beams, in warehouses to load heavy industrial machinery, and even to pull stumps on a farm. No matter the task, this crane performed flawlessly. The 360-degree rotation is completely seamless, locking solidly into place exactly when you need it to, ensuring that massive loads never swing out of control and endanger the operator. The GRIPWAY is the undisputed king of truck cranes. It combines industrial-grade durability with an incredibly intuitive electric control system that makes heavy lifting safer and easier than ever before.